Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay Pryor. For those that are new, I make content based on fashion, fitness, business, and vlogs. With that being said, I'm going to jump right into this video. In today's video, I'll be recording the entire process of me starting my own dreads from start to finish. I've been natural for 2 years now. I cut my hair back in April 2020. I'll most likely insert some pictures and videos so you guys can see exactly where I started from. I decided to cut my hair because I was trying to get my hair done. I was tired of wearing the wigs. I never embraced my natural hair, and I just felt like it was time for me to let that go and just embrace my natural hair for what it is. And ever since then, I've been wearing my hair in these finger coils, and I get a lot of people who ask me if I'm locking my hair almost every day. I've been doing some research online. I've been on Reddit, Google, YouTube, pretty much anywhere that I could find to see what's the best products to use when starting your dreads, and I didn't really find much. I found a lot of people saying don't use this and don't start with that and don't do this and don't do that, and I was pretty much stuck. I was like, what am I going to use? What am I going to do? So I came across a post where somebody was saying using aloe gel was like one of the best options. It's very natural. What I am going to do is create my own aloe gel and use it as a gel for my starter locks. I went to my mom's house and there was this aloe bush, and I decided to just break some pieces of aloe off, and I'll pretty much be taking these pieces and cutting them with a knife and putting it in the blender to create my own gel. I will be storing it inside of this mason jar here. I got it from Dollar General for $4. So stay tuned for the process and let's get started. Alright guys, so what you see me doing now is wiping off my counter and drying it off with a paper towel.